Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. All right. Somebody asked me, can administrators of a Facebook group get sued if their members discuss specific local businesses that do not pay their freelance writers or consultants? Is there a safe way to share this kind of information? Okay. I think the question isn't can you get sued, but can you get sued and lose? Because anybody can sue anybody for anything, which is annoying, and I don't support that idea, but reality, they can. So basically, you're in a Facebook group, and you want to, and it sounds like the person who asked the question is a freelancer who didn't get paid, and they're wondering, can I share that in a Facebook group? And if I do, will the administrators potentially get sued because of it? All right. So I have a couple of thoughts going through my head. One, when you're on a platform like Facebook, they have their own terms of service. So your posts need to comply with their terms of service, number one. And so you may not get sued, but it could be a violation of the platform. So you want to be aware of that first. And then on top of that, a group may have their own rules about what they do and don't allow inside the group. So be mindful of that. Of course, make sure your rules comply with the platform's rules, the rules where you live. But in general, it sounds like this is some type of business group. So can you call out someone who doesn't pay their freelancers? Can you and should you are two different questions. So I would look at the totality of these circumstances and see, is this the right thing to do, to air this person's dirty laundry, call them out in this public forum? How would that look upon you? I'm not saying legally you can't, but I'm thinking professionally, what would that do to your reputation? Because I'm all about, I respect and to a degree call out bad behavior myself. But I would be careful about your contract with them, about if there are any issues regarding confidentiality, non-disparagement, defamation. Even if you are allowed to call this person out, legally speaking, if anything you say is untrue, you were setting yourself up to be accused or sued for defamation. You meaning the person doing the posting, not the group administrators. I suspect, I would only expect group administrators to be targeted if they are like encouraging illegal behavior or if they know about it and don't remove it. Whereas if it is a platform where people can talk candidly and they don't know for certain who's telling the truth or not, and it's not something like completely insane in terms of like obviously wrong, illegal, a lie, then of course don't allow that. But something that is plausibly true, I don't see a group administrator being held responsible for what someone posted in that type of circumstances. Of course, these issues always come down to the specifics of the situation and the applicable laws. So, and again, of course, can you get sued and can you get sued and lose are two completely different questions. So if you are in this type of situation, consult a lawyer. That's the best thing you can do to get actual legal advice, because watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer, nor is it legal advice. It's merely legal information. If you have a question you want me to answer in an upcoming video, you can shoot me an email, leave it as a comment below. I put out new content every week, so please subscribe to the channel. And I think that's all I have on this topic for now. So until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.